Hello everyone, this is Nancy from Lampack Company. We are manufacturer with over 10 years experience on filling machine and the packaging machine in China. Today let me introduce you one of the multi-layer packaging machine for the liquid products in the chain bed. It is one of the packaging solutions from one of my Philippine customers. It is packing for the fabric softener. It is customized in the 12 bags in one chain. It is also suitable for packing the separate single one, only single one, like this one. Now let me introduce you one by one in details. At first, we go to this bag. It is the liquid product feeding pump. It can feed the raw materials from the floor to the top automatically to the storage hooper. And here we equipped with two inlets. One is from the feeding pump and another is to connect with the customer's storage hooper directly. And the measuring and filling system, we use the piston pump. And each pump will filling and measuring for each sachet, so it has a high accuracy. And next is the forming, sealing, and cutting part. And this is the horizontal and the EC tier. This is the horizontal and the EC tier is option device. And this is the cut to each layer. It's flat and smooth cutting. And that's the filling. And here is a horizontal sealing. And here the sitting, and we equipped with the Teflon surface, so it can seal very well and prevent from the leakage. And that is the storm coater to print or code the batch number on the horizontal sealing here. And that is the outlet. And here is the customer's feeding conveyor. It is folding and correcting feeding conveyor. Here we change the program with to fold the 3 layers. 1, 2, 3 layers. And each layer we fold 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 sachets. So total is 12 lemon. And this folding and correcting method and the number we can control or set on the touch screen. Now we can see the HMI, the touch screen, we use Siemens. And here we can see this is the ring bed. We can change the number to according to your requirement. And here is the balance. We can change balance on the touch screen. So it means we can make the same width and different lengths on one machine. That's all for today. It's not just a machine, it's a strategic investment for your liquid packaging line. Thanks for your watching. If you had more questions about this machine specification or the correct packaging solutions according to your product requirement, contact us, contact Lampack. Thanks for your watching. Bye.